In this tutorial, you will learn how to create links in different ways. So let's have a rectangle, and this is my sites, and then add a few links. First of all, I can use link tool. So let's put a link there, and this is Google, and then we could draw some line right there. Okay, and of course this link works as expected. There is also another way to create links. So if in Chrome you choose address and you drag and drop it to docPointer, you will get a link to BBC site. And we could make some changes right there. So this is BBC News, and if I double click it, I will get that site there once again. Also, if I have a link in Chrome, I can drag and drop that link right here, and it already works, but the text is a little bit wrong. So I click this link right here in the Chrome and choose this text, and I will drag and drop it to that link. And now what we have, let's get actually rid of that for a while. What we have right here is a working link and with that text. So if I double click it, it will go directly to that news. This drag and dropping actually works in several different ways. For example, if you have a file explorer, you can also drag and drop links. So I have an Excel worksheet here like this, and also a PowerPoint presentation like this. Now we have shortcuts to two presentations, and these shortcuts work as expected. If I double click that worksheet, we have Excel, and if I double click that PowerPoint presentation, we will have PowerPoint. So drag and dropping is the easiest way to create links from Chrome browser or from File Explorer. You can actually also drag and drop applications from Start menu if you want to. We can also use a link tool right here. And this time let's have a link to that file which we have in the same folder. So let's go do that and choose Node, and like this we have those. And of course we can put there something like my files and choose these objects, and let's say that draw lines from this object, and we have those lines right away. Now let's choose these files and cut these away. Let's use another tool, which is here. This tool creates a link and a new docPointer file. This is my new docPointer file. What we have here is a link which goes to that other new docPointer file, and we can paste these here, and we have now two docPointer files which are linked, and we can see it here from the address. I can also make some changes right here, and if I go back, you can see that we have all the links working here, and I can go back and forth using these buttons just like in any web browser. At the moment I'm using also a feature called autosave, which is right here. And because I have autosave changes, my experience is very fluent, because if I navigate, it autosaves this file always when I go to the next docPointer file. Links can be also attached to any object. Let's add a rounded rectangle, choose Advanced, and go to Google and change the text Google, and now we have little blue rectangles over there, which is a marker for our link. So if I double click it, we will go to Google. We can also have another rectangle, and in this case I'm going to create that link using drag and drop. So let's go to that BBC News and choose another link here. So let's just drag and drop this address right here. And as you can see, we get those little blue rectangles right here. So there's a working link already there. But now let's do a little bit more and choose this text and drag and drop it. And now we also have that text inside of that rectangle, and this link works just like you expect, and here we have it. To summarize, the quickest way to create links is drag and dropping. So you can drag and drop from File Explorer or Google Chrome, and a slower way to do it is using Link tool. And this feature that you can actually link several docPointer files using this link tool, which creates a new docPointer file, is very important. As you have a bigger amount of links, you probably will have it so that it's in several files. And in that case, it's good to use this auto-save feature so that everything is automatically saved. In this tutorial, you learned how to create links in docPointer.